when I was told that there's an exam like UGE, initially I was aware about IIIT Hyderabad, but the route of UG was something even I was not aware about. So when I was told, then I did a bit of research on my side as well, like where can I exactly take the coaching or get help or get the books. So IIIT Prep was the only source, and everybody was recommending IIIT Prep for the preparation. So I took up IIIT Prep, went to the website, and I found these three books: SUPR REAP and the past 4-year papers, and I bought the past 4-year paper book, and then to be honest, that was the only source of preparation I had. So obviously it was extremely helpful, and it's a bit different from like what we have in JE, and also to get used to the pattern of paper, the type of questions that I asked. IIIT paper was the only reliable source, and it actually helped a lot. And now that the written round is over, because I cleared the cutoff, and then the interview again, I got help. Like I wasn't confident about giving the interview, but now that I could crack a couple of questions, I have gained sufficient confidence. So to summarize, IIIT Prep has been completely responsible for my UG preparation for as of now.